Hey guys, this is Fun with Brittany. Thanks so much for watching my channel. Today what I'm going to be showing you is the stuff that I got from the Charlotte Tilbury sale while the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals were going on. So yeah, hopefully at the end I'll get to kind of put on some of the makeup so you guys can kind of see what it's like. I used to be a Charlotte Tilbury artist. I have my 3 brushes with me. These are my favorite Charlotte Tilbury brushes. This one is the blender brush, this one is the Sculpt brush, and this one is the smudger. So I have my little box right here, and I kind of forgot what I ordered, so we'll open it up and see. And you can click the link down below for a discount off your Charlotte Tilbury purchase. The first thing I'm seeing is that they did send me a sample of the Pillow Talk push-up lashes. They didn't sell this when I worked for them, so I'm actually really excited to try this. And I did get the lipstick Angel Alessandra. And I love this lipstick because it comes in a really cute little refillable case. So pretty. And I just love that these are refillable. And I did buy the Pillow Talk push-up lashes just because I really need to refill my mascara. You don't really want to keep mascara for longer than 2 months. I know that's not long at all. But yeah, so I'm in need of a new mascara. So I'll hang on to this one until I'm ready and give the sample a try. And they did send me another sample of the Charlotte's Magic Serum. And this is like an anti-aging serum. So I'm super excited to have this Supermodel lipstick. It is definitely a more matte color that they have, but I've been waiting a long time for this to come back in stock. This is one of my absolute favorite lipsticks, so I'll be trying that one on for you. And this is what it looks like. I know it looks a little dark, but it is a really good like everyday color. Then I bought one of the Pillow Talk eyeliners because I'm really excited to try this color. And I couldn't really tell if it was closer to like a berry or a brown. Oh, and it looks like it is more like berry. It's almost like burgundy. So pretty. This is just the classic powder pencil. This used to be called the Sophia, and now they call it Shimmering Brown. So I love this pencil. It's more of like, well, it's more of like a shimmery taupe. Obviously, I had to restock on sharpeners. These are the absolute best. If you have the Charlotte Tilbury lip pencils, they'll get eaten down really quickly if you don't have this, because it's the perfect size for the CT pencils. So I love these. I'm super excited to finally try the Eyes to Mesmerize and the Pillow Talk shade. So I love the Pillow Talk eye palette. That's the one I use like every single day. And I use the lipstick every day. So I'm really excited to try this, and it is more of like a cream eyeshadow. So I will again try this one on for you guys right now. I also ordered the Pillow Talk medium lip liner. So I just wanted to try something a little bit darker. A lot of times with Pillow Talk, I like to use the Pink Venus liner or just the Pillow Talk liner. So I thought it would be nice to have something a little bit darker. And it looks like that was everything. Super pretty and like mauve-y. The best way to use these Eyes to Mesmerize colors is to just go ahead and get the Charlotte Tilbury blender brush. I know they're expensive. They are the best. What I always say about these brushes is that they will make anyone like a pro at doing eye makeup. It's crazy. So what I like to do is just take this tip to kind of grab a little bit of product, put it on my hand, and then I just kind of swirl that around. You want to kind of build this up in layers, or it will not be as sparkly. So this is definitely not as pink as I expected it to be, and it's also not as sparkly as some of the other Eyes to Mesmerize colors. But it's really pretty and easy to apply just as a quick, like, everyday color. So I do really like it. I think it'll also be really pretty with that Pillow Talk burgundy liner. I love this liner. Okay, I'm obsessed. I love the Pillow Talk liner. And I especially love it with the Pillow Talk Eyes to Mesmerize. I think this is so pretty for every day. So now I'm going to try out the Pillow Talk medium liner. I thought this would be really, really pretty with the Supermodel lipstick. So let's give it a try. Okay, this is super pretty on its own. This would be really pretty just with this and like the Pillow Talk Lip Luster Gloss. Okay, I am super obsessed. I love this makeup look. If I was wearing a blush right now, I would pop on the First Love blush. That one is super, super pretty for fair skin tones, and it's like a really soft light pink, so I love that. And I am gonna try the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. Again, I've never tried this one before, so this will be fun. Okay, so first impressions of the push-up lash, it doesn't stand up to the Legendary Lashes 2. That one is a little bit more volumizing and thickening, and the push-up lashes does more for like definition. So I still like Legendary Lashes, but if you have more thin, sparse lashes, the push-up lash is probably a little better for you. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments.